数十万海鸠幼鸟正准备登上最后的舞台，它们即将面对生命中最重要的一天。
The day they will leave their nest by jumping from the cliffs and try out their wings for the very first time. When the time comes, encouraged by their fathers, the first take the leap. The chicks have tiny, stiff wings, so they can do little more than glide. Their fathers try to nudge them to keep them on a good flight path, one that will take them all the way to the water. With the first few safely away, the sky begins to fill with jumpers. In just a few days, an entire generation, thousands of chicks, will take this leap. With luck and a fair wind, the majority make it to the water. But nonetheless, many fall short. Glaucous gulls are quick to grab a meal. A guillemot chick has no defense against gulls. Unless father can get back in time. Those that get separated from their parents stand little chance. And even a father's protection may not be enough. This is the fox's moment. The easiest hunt of the year. But it's also the briefest. The chicks that have made it to the water have no time to rest. Unable to take to the air, they must swim 100 kilometers south before the ocean surface turns to ice.